Hey Masterchef, my name is Gary. I'm here in sunny Denver, Colorado, and I love mushrooms. I know you said to have someone else film this, but my wife is working extra hours in order to help pay for the bills while I'm starting my own mushroom farm. So I just wanted to show you guys how I do things and how I cook my mushrooms. Alright, so we're inside my house right now, and I'm going to show you guys my lab and my mushroom farm. We're running a gourmet mushroom farm here in Denver, Colorado. And right now I'm growing a few species of oyster mushrooms, chestnuts, lion's mane, and a bunch of varieties that people don't really know about, but I think that they taste super good, and I'm a big proponent for fungi. Alright, so this is my mushroom tent where I fruit all the different kinds of mushrooms. I've got some chestnuts right here and some shiitake mushrooms that I will be picking later today. One of the best things about growing mushrooms is I always have a fresh supply to cook with. So I'm going to try and figure out a mushroom dish to make you guys. Hey guys, so some friend of ours from the farmers markets gave us these wonderful chanterelle mushrooms from Sweden. So I'm gonna try to cook some scrambled eggs for you. So the first thing you want to do is hydrate the mushrooms, and you can just do that with room temperature water. They'll rehydrate in a few minutes, and I love chanterelles because of the sweet and earthy flavor. It really goes well with scrambled eggs, and I like to add cilantro, some fresh herbs on the top. So I'll just start off by cooking up some butter. So the key to cooking mushrooms is butter or oil, and you want to start it off on a medium to low heat so it cooks out that water, and then if you turn it up at the end you can get a really crispy texture that way. But the chanterelles have a really nice velvety texture, so I'll drain these and throw them in the butter. Oh, they smell so good. I love chanterelles. So while those are cooking down, I'm going to start getting these eggs going. And I'm going to try to do this in one take. And once again, my wife is not here to help film this, so I apologize for doing this myself, but she is working double overtime to help get our business underground. Alright, sorry about that. My phone died, or it cut out on me. Alright, so I am mixing up these scrambled eggs here and trying to pay attention to the mushrooms. So I don't know if you can see that, but they're starting to brown up a little bit, and I'm just making sure that all the water is evaporating, that I recently rehydrated them. Rehydrating them will bring back that velvety texture, and then cooking off the water kind of gets that crispiness that I'm looking for. So I've got my scrambled eggs here, and I'm going to turn down the heat a little bit. And Then I'm gonna lift it off the heat. And I can really smell that earthy aroma. The trick is to get the eggs not to stick, and then getting those flavors into the eggs, which really complements the cream. So I'm going to turn that down and chop up my fresh herbs while those eggs cook down. Alright, so I've got my cilantro and those scrambled eggs with the chanterelle. And just gonna grab a plate real quick. Alright, so there you have it. That is my chanterelle scrambled eggs with fresh herbs. I'm sorry again for filming this myself, but I really love the show and I would love an opportunity to show you guys what you can do with mushrooms and really bring awareness to this wonderful ingredient that I love to cook with every day. I wish that I had, a little bit more ingredients to work with, but like I said, we're just starting our business and I cook scrambled eggs every morning and it's one of my favorite dishes. So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe and much love.